Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the recovery tab will not open on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then dito, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm space slash online space slash dash image space slash restore health. So, kailangan lang natin yan i-copy. Kung paano ba natin dito i-paste. So, dito lang sa task, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, select mo lang dito yung paste or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus B. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Then, ito na siya. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word po yan. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-press yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This a process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So, kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step na ating gagawin ay dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang ito, restart. Okay, so kailangan lang natin mag-restart para makayos yung problem. Okay, so ganyan lang po kasimple on how to fix recovery tab won't open in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.